Hello YouTube! In this video series I am going to tell you how to deploy your Ruby on Rails app in Amazon Web Services with a real domain and including the SSL certificate with a complete setup. The first video is going to be about creating an instance in the Amazon Web Services. You probably already know this, how to do this, but I want to show it. So we go to the website of AWS Amazon.com. I already have it here. I just restart. And on the right side, you should see the sign in console button. That's this orange one. If you are already signed in, you can also click to my account, but I will just click this orange button and go to the console. This is the console page. As you can see, it's here, written here, and on the left top side, services, I click here, you can see it now, it's orange, and I go to the EC2, which is the first one, and it's very obvious to find, of course. Now the dashboard is open, and you can see it's EC2 dashboard, and I have 0 running instances. I can go to instances, or I can just click here this orange button, launch an instance, and inside it will also say launch instance, and I click that. Now we are at the launch instance wizard, and you can see we have to go through 7 steps, but before choosing anything I will just click here the free tier only to make sure that it's free, and I will select the latest Ubuntu server that is available, just clicking the select button on the right. And next thing is to choose the type. It is free eligible already there. I just click next, and here you have the configuration settings. You can change anything you want, but I don't find it necessary. So at this point I don't find it, I just don't do it, and just go ahead to storage. It's 8 GB, and this is good enough for me at this point, and it should be enough for you. I will just continue to the adding tag section. Here you can click this and add tag if you want. I won't do it. I will just continue to the security group, but this is important. Here we have to create a security group, and I will create it with my app name pandapera security group. I am also going to copy this into the description, just changing the default. And I should also tell you that I have a naming convention that first comes the app name and then the variable that we are creating, and I will try to keep this up along this tutorial. And this security group is going to have the SSH type and the port 22, and I'm going to click my IP here because of the security reasons. So you should also select your IP at this point. This will allow only us to reach the instance, and I will type here pandapera access for admin. Yeah, I think this is good, and I will click review launch. And if you check here and see anything is wrong or different, you just go back, but I see it's fine. Now we have to create a key pair. We click a new key pair, and I will again keep the naming convention pandapera key pair. Yes, and as you can see, I have the app name and the value, and we just need to download this key pair and save the file. It goes to the downloads, just remember that, and launch instance. Now it's launching, waiting for it. Yay, it's launched. Our instance is alive. Now if you click this, we can see it here, and you can see that it's still pending because it takes time. In the meantime, we can name it, and you know how to name it, right? We first put the app name and then value instance from the per instance. Yes. Oh, it's already running, and you can see the name is here as well. So it's running very well, and but we are not done here yet, because I wanted to show you. So if you click here and security here, yeah, and I want to show you how you can change your IP later on. So if you click security groups here, yeah, and you can see the inbound rules. You can click edit inbound rules, and here you can see your IP that you entered in the first place. But if you restart your computer or anything else, you might need to change this to access again. So I can first, you just click cross and select your IP again, and if you click save rules, it will do it. But I also want to add another rule here in order for everyone else to access, so which will be the port 80, I believe, and we select anywhere, and I will just add a name here, Pandapera access for everyone else. Yes, and I will save the rule, and you can see it already took the type of HTTP. I could have selected that, but anyway, the good thing is that our instance is running, and I will see you in the next video.